Hello, this is Dr. Angelina with Surgical Arts and Aesthetics and Ideal Body Institute, and today we're going to talk about chemical peels. What do chemical peels do? So they are designed to exfoliate the skin and really get rid of the top layers of the skin. It will allow basically the shedding of the old skin. It will allow damaged skin to come off and show your fresh skin underneath. Added benefits. So for added benefits, depends on the type of peel you use. For example, we use one of my favorites, the dermal peel, the Perfect Derma Peel. It will have added chemicals in it. So different chemicals will have different benefits. So in this particular peel, there's a kojic acid, salicylic acid, there's glutathione. So those things will also help to brighten the skin, to get rid of some of the melasma spots, to get rid of some of the acne darkened spots. Will it stimulate collagen production? Some. Anytime we exfoliate our skin, we stimulate our skin to do something new, there's a possibility of some stimulation of collagen production. It will vary based on type of treatment we're doing, how invasive it is, but it's always an added benefit every time you treat your skin with either microdermabrasion, chemical peels, microneedling, and definitely with chemical peel there is definitely a benefit of some of the collagen production, brightening with some of the chemicals, and also it helps to just overall rejuvenate your skin and make it more radiant and refreshed. What are some benefits of chemical peels? So again, we kind of went over it, but we'll go over it one more time. So improved overall skin tone. It reduces discoloration and hyperpigmentation, helps to clear up some of the breakouts, especially with acne-prone skin, stimulates some of the collagen production and reduces appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves with scarring. So again, people who had previous acne scarring or any other scarring, a lot of times it will come with different hyperpigmentation. This will help to smooth it out. Where can chemical peels be applied and what can they improve? Well, chemical peels can be applied to the skin. Most common place is your face, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, scarring, acne, fine wrinkles, and lines. So face is kind of the most common place where we're going to use it. However, you can do it on your back. So a lot of people who have acne will suffer with acne on their shoulders and their back. You can apply solution to the back as well. What is the process of getting chemical peel? Not every peel will be exactly the same, but overall it's relatively simple and straightforward. So you're going to come in here to the office. The esthetician will cleanse your skin, will remove kind of excess oil and dirt from the skin, will prep the skin with special solution, then we'll apply the actual peel chemicals. So those solutions again depends on the peel. There'll be different different solution amounts. Really doesn't really matter for the patient because you're just kind of hanging out there and somebody else doing the work. So how many times will esthetician will go over your skin with the chemical? It depends on your skin type and your skin tolerance. So for example, in certain especially darker skin tones, we're probably going to do a little trial size or a trial run, do the first layer and see how did you tolerate it. How many times will esthetician will go over your skin with the chemical? It depends on your skin type and your skin tolerance. So for example, in certain especially darker skin tones, we're probably going to do a little trial size or a trial run, do the first layer and see how did you tolerate it. Did you have a lot of discomfort? Did you have a lot of burning? How did it feel? Can we go more? And that will also help us gauge some of the reaction and how many times we're going to do it. What is recovery time for chemical peels? At Surgical Arts in my office, we use medium depth peels or very light and really not deep peels at all. So we have kind of a different range for, again, easy get in, get out, little lunchtime peel, just for very light resurfacing, and then a little bit deeper medium depth peels. For medium depth peel like this, you usually start peeling about 3 to 4 days after you get the peel, and usually finish peeling in about day 7 or so. Now, for some people, especially who are a little bit older and had a little bit more wrinkling and a little bit more issues on the skin, you might start peeling a little bit later and therefore finish peeling a little bit later. That can happen, but on average, 3 to 7 days is where the peeling is happening. SPF is pretty much guaranteed thing you're gonna do after any face treatment, and hopefully on a regular basis as well. We always tell you to put SPF. Doesn't matter what skin color you have, doesn't matter that you don't burn. How much do chemical peels cost? That's probably one of the most common questions we have here. In my office, we have a couple different peels, very basic, kind of like a lunchtime peels that start at $99, and then something like this, that a Perfect Derma peel, and that goes closer to about $325. Obviously, there's always some specials going on, so you guys make sure you check it out. And also packages where you can combine them with other treatments or buy multiple treatments to save some money.